So guys, for my hair care, instead of oiling today, I'm just gonna use this Redken acidic bonding treatment. This product has worked wonders for me, like no questions asked, because when I came here, it was summer and for some reason my hair was very dry and rough ends and
it was like unbearable. And I went to Chatters. There's a salon here named Chatters. I went there and for a haircut, and the lady was so nice. She was Ukrainian. She was so nice. She told me that I do need some kind of treatment because of, you know, how dry my hair was, because I had highlights done before. So bleach की वजह से or like dyes की वजह से अब बाल बहुत dry हो जाते हैं, and that's a fact. So she recommended this product to me. Actually, she did that treatment on me and I was like, I loved the results. Like my hair was so soft and the texture was so improved afterwards.
like I was completely sold on this product. So I bought this after, you know, I saw the results for the treatment. I bought this treatment myself so I could do it at home as well. So you don't need to do it so often. Like you could do it weekly, 2 weeks, or whenever you feel like your hair needs that treatment. And all you have to do is just dampen your hair. So I'm just going to dampen my hair using this spray bottle, and I'm just going to put this treatment in my hair and leave it on for almost 10 minutes, because it says to leave it on for like 5 to 10 minutes. So for better results, I'm just going to keep it on for 10. Is damp. I'm just gonna take some in my hand and start putting it in, massaging it in. Consistency is like that of a conditioner. It's not much different. Okay, so I have put the product in. I'm keeping this on for 10 minutes. Then I'm gonna take a nice shower, and after that it's gonna be time for my skincare so I can feel relaxed and
my skin can thank me later.
I already feel so much better after a nice hot shower. And now I'm just gonna use this the same Redken acidic bonding concentrate leave-in conditioner, because when I do the whole routine I use the shampoo, I use a treatment, shampoo, conditioner, this leave-in conditioner, and then this spray I just use every day because you can use it every day. The rest of the things you cannot use every day. It has to be like once or just twice a week. So let's just take a small amount and put it in my hair.
And after this whole routine, my hair feels so nice and it's all worth it. Putting in all the hydrate all feels worth it.
Now I'll just spray my hair with this spray that I normally do. It's actually really cold these days. Like it just started being this cold again, and I don't think it has snowed this much in a while. I don't think it has snowed this much in the whole season. It feels like -26 outside. So this whole routine feels like the perfect way to spend the time inside without, you know, feeling stuck. I'm just going to blow dry my hairs, and I'm using this Revlon One Step Volumizer Plus. So let's get started. The blowout is done, and although I wasn't going for a perfect blowout, I just wanted to for my hair to not be wet anymore. But मैं बता रही हूँ guys, like hair care routine के बाद बाल like softer feel हो रहे हैं, and
I'm loving it. I know जब करनी पड़ती है तो it's like वो इतने steps कौन करे, लेकिन जब बंदा कर लेता है तो it feels completely worth it. Like I'm feeling my hair and I'm proud of myself for
doing this whole routine today. Guys, so I've taken my skincare out, some sheet masks, some under eye masks, and my serums, my items for acne and toner, face masks, all these face masks, some mist, moisturizers, and under eye serum for dark circles or for eye bags. And I'm so excited to get started. So before I start my skincare, I'm going to use this micellar water to clean up my skin. So it's very important that before using all those products, your skin is perfectly clean and there's no dirt or anything on your skin. Although I've taken a shower, I'm still gonna do this. I'm not gonna miss this step because this is important. I'm gonna double cleanse my face. After this, I'm gonna use a face wash to clean it up, and then I'm ready to put my masks on. Face masks on. I'm just gonna wash my face using the Cetaphil cleanser because this is gentle, and these days I've been going gentle with my skin. Although I do have some things for acne here, but they are way stronger and harsher on the skin, so I prefer using this one these days. So let's just wash my face, and also auntie got me this for like face massage while you're washing your face, so I'm also gonna try this out. Guys, packing myself up as much as I can because it's -26 outside and it's night time, and we're gonna go grab a quick cup of coffee. All of us felt like, you know, going out and getting a cup of coffee because of the weather. So we're just gonna do that.
Packing myself in anything. Dopey. Pehne ka mood nahi tha. So this shall do. I'm not
Getting out of the car, so this should be fine. It's got coffee and donuts for everyone. It was really a ride because itni snow hai bahar, it's insane. Thank God, it's still hot. And I'm about to start my skincare routines. I've been so looking forward to this because, you know, taking care of your skin is so important. आपकी skin बताना शुरू कर देती है कि you're not taking care of me, you need to start taking care more. So this is a mud mask that I'm gonna use, and क्योंकि मैं skincare start करने वाली थी, तो I just took my mask there, and Hamza office, अपने home office में बैठा हुआ काम कर रहा था, and I just applied some to his face as well, because मेरा ये है कि whenever I'm doing my routine, I just, you know, whatever he's doing, I'll just do it for him. Even if he's working, I'll just do it for him.
क्योंकि you know, like millennial guys, they don't know how to take care of themselves. तो उनका ख्याल खुद करना पड़ता है. Gen Z guys, I feel like वो लड़कियों से भी ज़्यादा अच्छा ख्याल रख लेते हैं अपना.
साथ में हमजा को लगाती आई हूँ. अब बस I'm gonna enjoy my coffee and I'm gonna start putting this on. It's a mud mask, so ये detox के लिए होता है. It's actually really nice. I've used it a lot of times and I love the results. So इसकी भी ज़्यादा thick layer नहीं लगानी है. You keep it on for 10 minutes until it dries out, and then you just wash it. So simple. ज़्यादा time नहीं लगता है, but ये है कि effort होती है. You know, doing these things for yourself, it takes effort. तो अगर आप effort डालेंगे तो नज़र भी आएगी. It's gonna show. Like, it's gonna show that you take care of yourself, you love yourself, you pamper yourself. So let's just quickly put this on. And after I put this on, I'm not gonna talk. Mask लगा के बातें ना करें ताकि crease lines ना आए. I'm just gonna slowly drink my coffee and just sit while this mask is on. It feels nice on the skin. मैं वॉश करके आ गई हूँ, एंड कैन यू गाइस सी इंस्टेंटली ऐसे लाइक स्किन फ्रेश हो गई है. टेलिंग यू, मड मास्क से एक्चुअली लाइक आपकी स्किन ऐसे फ्रेश हो जाती है. वो वाकई डिटॉक्स कर देता है आपकी सारी स्किन का. लाइक आई इंस्टेंटली लव हाउ माई स्किन लुक्स जब मैं एक बार ही मड मास्क लगा के यू नो फेस वॉश करती हूँ. सेम विद हमजा की स्किन भी ऐसे ग्लो कर रही है. एंड एवरी टाइम यू यूज मड मास्क, दैट्स व्हाट वी से, लाइक वाओ, वाकई स्किन में डिफरेंस फील होता है. सो द नेक्स्ट थिंग वी गोना डू इज यूज दिस विटामिन C face mask. This is actually very like instant face mask. You only keep it on for like 5 minutes और फिर जेंटली मसाज करके अपने फेस पे ऐसे करते करते वॉश कर लेते हैं इसको, बिकॉज इसमें टाइनी से वो होते हैं स्क्रबिंग वो, तो आप उनको जब ऐसे रब करके करते हैं तो अच्छे से फेस क्लीन हो जाता है. एंड ये आप कभी भी कर सकते हैं ऑनेस्टली. मैं तो डर्टी वर्क से यूज़ कर रही हूँ, बट आपको जो मिलता है अच्छा विटामिन C मास्क को यूज़ करें, बिकॉज विटामिन C इज़ रियली गुड फॉर स्किन. तो अब मैं ये करूँगी. मास्क है जो कि लाइक अगर आपने इंस्टेंटली भी कभी रेडी होना है ना और क्विक ग्लो चाहिए फेस पे, vitamin C mask is the way to go, telling you. Okay, let's start. अभी मैं एक्चुअली नीचे हमजा को लगा के आई हूँ. पहले मैं हमजा को लगाती हूँ, फिर मैं खुद अपने आप को लगाती हूँ, बिकॉज फिर मैं जाती हूँ तो मैं टाइम बता देती हूँ कि ओके गो वॉश योर फेस नाउ. तो अभी भी गई थी जाके बताया, एंड इट फील्स वेरी रिफ्रेशिंग. दो मास्क हमने लगा लिए हैं, मड मास्क, विटामिन C मास्क. नाउ द थर्ड स्टेप इज आवर फेवरेट, इट्स शीट मास्क, एंड वी हैव 2 options. One is mainly like hydration, the other one is also hydration, but has marine collagen and hyaluronic acid, while this one has all the stuff for hydration. And I feel like, you know, my skin really needs hydration. So I'm gonna go with this one. And this is the same one I used on Hamza. So I'm gonna use this one. Relax. This is like the most relaxing part of the routine. Sheet mask लगाएं और बस आराम से लेट जाएं, बैठ जाएं, chill करें, you know, that's the fun part. तो मैं हमजा को भी ये कह रही थी कि भाई आप भी relax करें, although काम कर रहे थे, he was working, but I was like, you know, relax करें, relax. This is for relaxation. It is very gooey. Okay guys, ऐसे तो मेरी combination skin है, but यहाँ पे dryness बहुत major है, बहुत major dryness है skin पे, so that's why I'm switching to more hydrating products. मैं बहुत से cream products पे already shift कर गई हूँ, even makeup में, because कोई भी dry product मुझे लगे जैसे मेरी skin को भी suit नहीं कर रहा है, because skin already इतनी dry है. Okay guys, for the fun part, let's put this on.
Nose looks scary. Very good. Oh my god, I look like a Chucky doll. I look like a plastic surgery accident.
Guys, the face sheet mask is also done and my skin feels very hydrated. But I just washed my face. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna tell you my absolute favorite serum. Absolutely favorite serum for hydration. The one I figured out for myself that has helped me the most this winter is this absolute gem right here. Multi-peptide plus HA serum. Guys, this has done wonders for my skin. Like, I don't think I would have survived the dry skin with this in this winter without this serum. Like, absolutely amazing. Amazing. And another thing you already know, I have told you in every video, almost every video, how much I love that, and that's e.l.f. Holy Hydration Moisturizer. Guys, these two things, my winter go-to. मेरे लिए ये best काम की है, best. Use this, a few drops. Use this in morning, evening, both, and I do like to use it both times, like morning, night routine, both of them. Like, this is my favorite for hydration. After I'm done applying this, I just use my favorite moisturizer. I also use other ones, but this one I feel like works best for me. I also got this one, and this was like way more expensive than this one, e.l.f. one. But after I got this and started using this, I don't think I've gone back to that. That one is also very nice, but come on, like $42, and I think this is like hardly 16. I don't know. I think this is like between $12 to $16. And this is my second bottle, guys. I have used a lot of it. And we're also gonna use Rose Plus Collagen under eye masks. It's gonna hydrate my under eyes. I'm just gonna open it up. Okay, I have these under eye masks on, and I would also like to use a mask for my lips, this Laneige lip mask. I'm just gonna put this on so my lips are also hydrated by the end of this routine. Both under eye and lip masks are on. Now I'm just gonna relax for a bit. Okay guys, the time for the mask is done. Now I'm just gonna take these off. Voila. I'm just gonna use my under eye serums now. And guys, dark circles बहुत easily आ जाते हैं, तो हमें ध्यान रखने की ज़रूरत है, because मुझे भी आ जाते हैं अगर मैं नींद प्रॉपर नहीं ले रही या any reason. I'm gonna use this L'Oreal Revitalift serum. This has caffeine in it as well, so it wakes up your under eyes. Just gonna put some, and it feels very like it gives a cooling effect on the eyes. Just gonna massage this in. And after this, I like to use an eye cream as well. This is an overnight eye cream that I use not every day, but like at times I use this. But if I'm just looking for hydration, I go with this e.l.f. Holy Hydration eye cream. This is also like good, gives good hydration under the eyes. I actually love this whole line. Yeah, e.l.f. Holy Hydration, I love this whole line. All the products I've used so far, I've loved. And I do like to use a bit more, and I just massage it in. I'm just gonna leave it on, it's gonna absorb itself. I've just like massaged it in. So guys, this was my whole skincare routine. I do keep changing things at times when I feel like something needs to be changed, but for now this is my current skincare routine. Every time like I feel like pampering myself or I feel like my skin needs it, I just do this routine. So much fun sharing my skincare routine with you for the first time. For the first time I showed you how I take care of my skin. Please take care of yourself, don't put yourself last. अपनी हर छोटी बड़ी चीज का ख्याल करें.
Pampering yourself is good, guys. Like, so pamper yourself any chance you get.
And I'll see you guys in my next vlog.